3 AI tools that can run your business while you sleep. What if you could run your business while you sleep? No employees, no late nights, just 3 smart AI tools doing the heavy lifting. In this video, I'll show you how I automated content, customer support, and even sales, so I can focus on growth or doing nothing. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, ChatGPT or Jasper, the AI content creator. First up, content. Emails, blogs, captions, it all takes time. With ChatGPT or Jasper, I can create all of that in minutes. Here's how I use it. I give it a simple prompt like, write an email promoting my new course. It spits out a high-converting draft in seconds. I tweak it slightly, and boom, done. Bonus tip, train it on your brand voice. That way, it sounds like you, not a robot. Tool number 2, TDO AI or Intercom, the customer service bot. Next, let's talk customer support. Answering DMs, FAQs, refunds. It can eat up your time. But tools like TDO AI or Intercom's AI bots can handle 90% of that. You preload answers, connect it to your site or social media, and it chats with your customers instantly. I once went a whole weekend without checking messages. My AI bot handled every request. The best part? It's available 24/7 and never takes a coffee break. Tool number 3, ManyChat or System.io, the automated sales funnel. Third is your AI-powered sales machine. I use ManyChat for Instagram and Messenger DM automation. Someone comments info or DMs me a keyword. It instantly replies, delivers a lead magnet, or sends a discount code. Or you can use System.io to build full email funnels that nurture leads automatically. The combo? ChatGPT writes the emails, System.io delivers them, and ManyChat boosts conversions. That's real automation. Conclusion: stack them for power. Each tool alone saves you time, but together, they create a business that works even when you don't. Here's the full stack. ChatGPT for content, TDO AI for support, ManyChat or System.io for sales. You'll go from overwhelmed solopreneur to smart business owner with freedom, and it's easier than ever. If you want to stop trading hours for dollars, try one of these tools today. I've dropped links in the description. And if you want a full tutorial on setting these up, comment automate below. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.